The pocket Tooley Park scribers are probably the smallest scriber you can actually buy on the market. This is a skinny boy pocket scriber, 50mm long base, 3/4 inch wide, and it stands 32mm high. So as you can see, extremely compact. This is the FB version, so wider base, that's an inch wide, and the other dimensions are the same. Now these scribers will just go where other scribers can't because of their size, so it's a great little tool for fitting. And of course you can stick it in your pocket. If you go up a ladder or something like that, then you can easily carry it around or stick it in your tool pouch. To set the scriber up, this is the same with all the Tooley Park scribers. You adjust your stick out and then undo this thumb screw, set the distance to how much you want to scribe and lock it down. And once you've done that, you do your scribe. And the main limit with these pocket scribers is actually the distance that they open up to. There are two hole positions that you can set the body in. So this is now in the top hole position, and in that position we can comfortably scribe something like 45-46mm. With all the scribers in the range, you do have the option of screwing a block onto the base, because they all have holes in the base, so you can extend the range. So with an 18mm block we're going to about 70mm now. Right, let's take one apart to show you how they're built. Now, bearing in mind, if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can actually just take the pivot bolt out and have the thumb screw on the other side. But let's take it apart. So the clamping system is a barrel nut and a grub screw. So that's how you clamp the pencil or whatever tool you're using, and then there's an Allen key obviously that comes with the scriber, and that sits in a slot, and there is a little neodymium magnet which holds the Allen key in position. Because of that clamping system, which is pretty strong, you can actually hold metal marking tools. So this is a Fat Boy pocket Fat Boy setup with a chair maker's marking wheel, and we can score a line with this tool. And that has the advantage of a definite line to work to, so it's a bit more accurate than using a pencil. And because the base has those two holes, those holes are the same hole position as all the other scribers. So there are accessories that you can buy. This is a bearing base, so this makes almost frictionless scribing. You've got two bearings at the back and one at the front, so that all three bearings should all be sitting on the surface all the time. And that's how you scribe using that. So if you're interested in the pocket scriber or any of the other scribers in the range, visit tooleypark.com.